I'm going to show you how to solve Red Dead Redemption 2 not full screen issue. So let's start. Now for the first method, right click any part of the Windows desktop area to select display settings. After that, select the recommended option in the display resolution drop down menu. Now click keep changes to apply and start Red Dead Redemption 2 and select settings. After that, click graphics to view visual settings and then set the game's resolution option to match the recommended resolution set in the Windows settings app. After that, press enter to apply the new resolution and try switching the game to full screen mode again. For the next method, right click on the NVIDIA icon within the Windows system tray to select the NVIDIA app context menu option. After that, click on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game in the NVIDIA app home tab, then press the custom settings button spanner icon. Now select your desired screen resolution for the game in the resolution drop down menu and drag the slider on the optimize for bar further left toward performance. Once you do that, click apply to set the settings and then press the green launch button for RDR2 in the NVIDIA app. So for the next method, to check what graphics card your PC has, open the DirectX diagnostic tool by utilizing the Windows logo plus R hotkey, typing DXDiag into the run dialog, clicking on OK. Select display within the DirectX diagnose tool that opens to view the GPU details. Next, start the Edge browser software and go to the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card driver download page and then click download to obtain the latest graphics driver package for your GPU. Now to see your downloaded files, press Ctrl plus G in Edge or any browser. Click the downloaded graphics driver file to bring up its installer. Next, go through the NVIDIA or AMD driver window to select install and finally restart your PC to finish. Now if you do have the game on Epic Games, run the Epic Games gaming client. After that, click the round user profile button to select settings. Next, click Red Dead Redemption 2 in the game list and select additional command line arguments. After that, type -full screen in the command line box and click settings to go back and restart Epic Games Launcher. Now, if you do have the game on Steam, open the library tab in your Steam software and click the RDR2 game with the right mouse button and select properties. Next, click in the launch options box on the general tab and input -full screen into the box and make sure to close the settings window. If you do find this video is helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share and see you on the next one.